What we're doing today is understanding slope and y-intercept. So can you tell me what formulas do we need to find the slope?
Y equals mx plus b.
Y equals mx plus b.
And y squared
Say it louder, please.
y squared minus y1
Over
x
X2.
squared. Oh, yeah.
x what?
2 minus x1.
All right, and if I'm using this equation, what will I find?
M.
M. And Destiny, can you tell me what M stands for? Slope. Thank you. Dejanay, can you tell me what my B stands for?
Y-intercept.
Say it again.
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. All right, so first we're going to review some problems. I know some of this should seem familiar to y'all. So we're going to start off with the first problem. What's number one says?
Yeah, m equals 2 and b equals 7.
All right, so what equation do I need to solve this problem?
Y equals mx plus b.
Everybody agree? So you have boards and markers in front of you. What I need you to do is write answer number one on your board. Hold it up when you're finished. Thank you. So, Cam, can you tell me what's number one? Can you tell me what's number one?
Oh, 2x plus 7.
Right. Plus 7. Am I missing anything? Equals y or y equals?
Y equals.
Y equals. Do everybody agree?
Yes.
Good. All right, so let's go to another problem. Let's go to number 4. Can you tell me number 4, Ms. Jasmine?
M equals -7 and b equals 11.
Once again, what I need you to do is take your boards, put the answers on there, and raise them up. Thank you, thank you. Take your time, no need to rush. All right, so, Hawk, Thorn, can you tell me the answer to number 4?
Y equals -7x plus 11.
All right, good job, good job. Let's do one more. So let's do number 8. Cam, can you tell me what number 8 is?
The answer?
No, the problem.
Okay, m equals -5, b equals -10.
Once again, can you take your boards, put the answers on there? Thank you, ma'am, thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. You good job, you good job. Thank you. Dejanay, can you tell me the answer to number 8?
Y equals -5x minus 2.
Is that right?
No,
Why not?
you forgot the x.
Oh, thank you. All right, so everybody seems familiar with this section. So, once again, if I'm giving the slope and the y-intercept, all I need is a slope-intercept form equation, okay? Let's move to the next section. So, number 9 for this, find the equation of a line with the given slope that passes through the given points, all right? So number 9, read it out to me, somebody, please.
M equals 2. And -1, 5.
And -1, 5
Yeah.
are those points.
Yeah.
So, which equations do I need to solve this?
That 1 minus 2 minus 10.
So you said y2 minus y1
Yeah.
over,
And x2 minus
all right. So,
x1.
how will I use this equation? How will I use this equation to solve that?
Plug in.
Plug in. So I have one x and I have one y, but where's my other x and y?
Gotta do the opposite.
That's the opposite.
Yep.
So let's try this. Let's erase this equation. And use this equation. Okay, so what do I have? Over here, what does it tell me? I have my y-axis, x and slope. So my m equals 2, my y equals what? 5, and my x equals what? -1. So what I'm gonna do with these three is plug them in to my slope intercept formula. Okay? So you said my y was 5, my slope is 2, and my x is -1. All right? So from here, what I want you to do is write this equation on your board and solve for B.
So what's the solve here right now?
Solve for B. All right, so help me, walk me through this, Jasmine. Can you walk me through this? What do I need, how do I get B by itself?
Multiply 2, -1,
Okay, so I multiply the 2 times -1 and I get
-2.
-2 plus B. So once again, how do I get B by itself? What do I need to do with this 2?
Add 2.
Add 2? Why?
5.
Can I subtract?
No.
Why not? Won't cancel. So I add 2 to both sides. 5 plus 2, 7. Good. So, my slope is what? And my y is what? 7. Huh? Did I say slope or B? Yeah, my y is 7. So, with my slope and my y-intercept, I need you to give me an equation. The slope and y-intercept, give me the slope-intercept form equation.
Y equals 2x plus 7.
Y equals 2x plus 7. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Yes? Good. Good job. All right. Dejanay, can you pick a number for me? And give me that problem? 6. That's Sinead.
13, m equals 3, and the point is 0, 7.
0 what?
7.
0, 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and label what we have. We have our slope, which is, we have our x, which is,
0.
and we have our y, which is 7. So, remind me what we do with these three? The slope, the x and y intercept? Plug it in. So I have 7 equals slope is 3 times 0 plus b. Now, can you take your boards and solve for b? I understand some of you can solve in your heads, but for me, I would like you to work it out. So just in case we do make a mistake, we can see where that mistake was made. So please show your work. Alright. So we're moving on. Cam, can you tell me, walk me through this, please? How do I solve it?
How to get rid of it.
How do I get B by itself? How do I get? So, I'm trying to get B by itself. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I take this and multiply by this, and what do I get? 30. Say that again.
0.
0. Good. So I have 7 equals 0 plus B. Alright? So at the end of the day, if I erase this, because 0 has no value, I have B equals 7, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I have my slope and I have my y-intercept. So give me an equation of the line.
Y equals
3x.
3x.
Good. Alright, we'll move to the last section. So, in this section, it says find the equation of a line that passes through given points. So, with this one, I've given 2 points. We'll start with number 17, which is 1, and 2, -1, 5. Okay, so what equation?
The M equals Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1.
Does everybody agree? Do I need another equation? Yes, no, maybe,
Yes.
yes.
Are we trying to find the slope intercept?
Yes, ma'am?
So we need other equipment.
We do. Okay, with just this equation, I can solve for the slope, but without this equation, I cannot solve for my slope intercept form equation, okay? Alright, so, right here, we're gonna plug in everything. Can you plug it in for me, Hall?
Yes. Well, the first one would be 5 minus 2
Okay.
over -1 minus 1.
And this will equal what? 5 minus 2 is?
3.
-1 minus 1 is?
-2.
So what I have right here, it equals 0, 2. So, I have my slope. Now, what do I need with this to write the slope intercept form? Say it again. Good job. One of these coordinates right here. So which coordinate do you want to use? 1, 2, or -1, 5? Okay, we use this one. So what I have, my y is what? I'm using the first one.
2.
2. My slope is what? -3/2. And my x is what? And I don't know my b. So I plus. Okay? Can you write on your boards and solve for b, please? Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Good job. All right, so what we do, -3 times -3 over 2 times 1 will give me what?
-3/2.
-3 over 2. So I'm still trying to get b by itself. So -3 divided by 2 is another way to say that. So if I'm dividing by 2, what's the opposite of division? Multiplication. So what do I have to do with this 2? Multiply. Great job. So 2 times 2 will give me -3 plus b. I have 4 -3 plus b. I add 3 to both sides. 7b. So I have my slope and my y-intercept. Y equals -3x plus 7. Thank you. You can go.